Hello everyone! Actually, I have a maths test tomorrow. H square is equal to p square plus p square, h square is equal to p square plus p square, h square is equal to p square plus p square, h square, oh my god, time is running. Well, are you like me and have trouble in learning these formulas? Well, sometimes I ponder if this will be used in future. Has mathematics any real life? I am Gurbani of class 9th Rose and this is the project I have made. So this works on the principle of Pythagoras theorem, which says h square is equal to b square plus p square. But should we believe it blindly? So let us check it out. Now, the base is 13 centimeters. It is already measured. Through this, we can change the height according to ourselves. So if we want to increase the height, we can increase, and if we want to decrease the height, we can decrease using this mechanism over here. So now let us set the height to be 6. So the height is 6 over here now and the base is 13. Now we want to find the length of this hypotenuse. So what we are going to do is basically we have a thread over here. What we will do is we will place this thread along the hypotenuse. So I have a marker and the place where it ends I am going to make a mark. Okay. So there's a mark on the thread. Now we can easily calculate the length of this thread using the ruler. So here's what the length of the thread is like. So let me put the place where the mark is. And using the ruler, let me make the mark on the ruler. Okay, so this is where the mark is. Look, this is the mark. So the mark is approximately at 14. So according to this model, if the perpendicular is 6 and the base is 13, the hypotenuse should approximately be equal to 14 centimeters. But is it so according to the formula? Let us check it out. According to the formula of Pythagoras theorem, which says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. If there is a triangle ABC with height 6 centimeters and base 13 centimeters, the hypotenuse square will be equal to 13 square, which is 169, plus 6 square, which is 36. When we add this, we will get 205. Therefore, the value of h will be root 205, which is approximately 14 centimeters. Exactly, it is equal to 14.317 and so on. So that means what we found out in our model is true, and this proves the theorem as well. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful.
Good morning, I am Jasmine from class 6C. Today I am going to present my model on different types of angles used in mathematics. So there are 6 types of angles, that are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and full angle. So let us talk about acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So let's make here acute angle. So this is a acute angle. Next is right angle, that is of exact 90 degrees. So let's make right angle. So this is a right angle. Next is obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So let's make obtuse angle. So this is our obtuse angle. Next is straight angle, that is exact of 180 degrees. So let's make straight angle. So this is our straight angle shown here. Next is reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So let's make reflex angle. So this is our reflex angle. Next is full angle. Full angle is also known as complete angle, that is of 360 degrees. So let's make full angle. These are full angle. So this is my model on different types of angles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariha from class 6B. Today I am going to show you a model of sum of interior angles of a polygon. So here is a triangle here. So if I take angle A, angle B and angle C, so you can see that they form a straight angle and their sum is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, in a quadrilateral, if I take angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, you can see that their sum is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So now I will show you how to calculate the sum of interior angles of any polygon with the number of sides is equal to n and using a formula which is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in a triangle, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and for a quadrilateral it is 360 degree, for a pentagon it is 540 degree, and for a hexagon is 720 degree. So this is how you can calculate the sum of interior angles of any polygon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sonu Moga from class 5th B in Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka. Today I am going to present an activity on the topic how to find the area of rectangle. Let's understand how to find the area of rectangle. Here is the rectangle of 5 cm length and 3 cm breadth. Firstly, we can draw its outline on square paper with 1 cm multiplied by 1 cm square. We can see all complete square. Now we will count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. They are 15 in number. Since each square has area 1 square centimeter, therefore we can say that the rectangle has area 15 square centimeter. Can you find any relation between length, breadth and the area of rectangle? You must have observed that if we multiply length and breadth, here is the area of rectangle. This formula gives us the understanding that to calculate the area of rectangle, we can write it as area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15 square centimeter, where L is the length of a rectangle and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Hope you will understand how to find the area of rectangle. Thanks and have a nice day tomorrow.
Hello everyone, I am Ahana, student of class 5th Rod, is going to represent the topic fraction. Firstly, we define fraction. So we have a circle. When we divide the circle into 4 equal parts, it is called fraction of a whole. Like in this chart, we explain the fraction through folding fraction chart. So we have a circle. It is a whole part of the circle. When we divide the circle into 2 equal parts, it is called 1/2. So fraction is 1 by 2. 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. So this is the circle. When we divide this circle into 3 equal parts, it is called 1/3. So in this circle, when we divide this circle into 4 equal parts, it is called 1/4. Fraction that describes shaded portion. We have a circle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. One part is shaded, so shaded fraction is 1 by 4. In this, 2 parts are shaded, so shaded fraction is 2 by 4. In this, 3 parts are shaded, so shaded fraction is 3 by 4. Types of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Proper fraction. 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, so 1 is less than 4, so it is proper fraction. Improper fraction. 5 is numerator and 4 is denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, so 5 is greater than denominator, so it is improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. When we divide 5 by 4, it is 1 is to 1 by 4. So it's mixed fraction. So it is all about fraction. So thank you and have a nice day to all.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Raja Juneja from class 4C roll number 1 of Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka. As we know, LCM means lowest common multiple. For that, I have made this model. We can use 3 steps to find out LCM, which are: first one is find out multiples of some numbers. Second one is find out the common multiple. Third one is find out the lowest common multiple. Let's start with the activity. Let's take some examples. 3 and 6. We can use these balls for 3. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. Now we can use these balls for 6. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Now look which column has 2 balls. 6 has 2 balls. Take 6 out. 12 has 2 balls. Take 12 out. 18 has 2 balls. Take 18 out. 24 has 2 balls. Take 24 out. 30 has 2 balls. Take 30 out. And 36 has 2 balls. Take 36 out. Now these are the common multiples. Which is the least common multiple? 6 is the least common multiple. So the answer is 6. We can use this method for HCF also. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ranjan from class 7th B and I am going to present my math model based on probability. First of all, I am giving the definition of probability. Probability is how likely something is to happen, and its formula is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So it is my model. I had made it using the property of probability. It is like a game and it's known as probability game. This is the area where we can place bet. These boxes we can use as coins or money for bets. This is the roulette wheel. We try our luck and using this ball. So now I will show how to play it. Now I placed a bit at 9 and then I will rotate the roulette, and while it is moving I will drop a ball from some height. Now it stopped at, as you can see. So I toss this game. Now again I will try my luck by betting on 8. So I will again rotate this roulette wheel. I lost this game again. From this you can see that probability can be used in games and our daily life. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Today, I, Janvi, from Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka, from class 7th B, is going to show you 2 math activities. First math activity is to prove that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Here you see a triangle having 3 angles. We want to prove that sum of these 3 angles is 180 degree, that is straight line angle. I split first 2 angles and join it with the third angle. Here you will observe that complete 180 degree angle is produced, that is straight line angle, hence proved. Now let's move to the second activity. In this activity, we will show you that sum of 2 internal angles is equal to opposite exterior angle. Here for simplicity, pick only relevant angles. In this activity, we will show you that sum of this and this internal angle is equal to this exterior angle. Now, when I pick these 2 internal angles and place it on opposite exterior angle, you will see that they exactly fit into it, hence proved. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Aman from class 5th. Today I am going to discuss with you about the perimeter and area. I will tell you first of all about the area. I will speak the definition of area. The number of square units inside a shape or object is called area. The formula of area is length multiplied width. I made a example model for you. You can see this is a model of yard. Inside this grass portion is called the area of yard. Next, the perimeter. The definition of perimeter is the distance around the outside of an object is called perimeter. The formulas of perimeter are length plus width, or perimeter formula is 4 multiply side. And the next perimeter formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now you can see the model. Okay, the fencing of this yard is called the perimeter of the yard. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, I am Yashita Sethi. I study in 5th day. Today, my topic is about the rotational symmetry. First of all, we will discuss what is symmetry. In math, symmetry defines that one shape is exactly like the other one when it is moved, rotated and flipped is called symmetry. Now, next question is what is rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry is also known as radial symmetry. It is the property of a shape when looks the same after some rotation by a partial term. We will understand the concept with the help of this model. This is a rectangle, one is at upper, one is at lower, one star is also marked. We have to rotate this at 90 degree. When we rotate this at 90 degree, it is not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 90 degree. When we rotate this, it is symmetrical to the second one. When we again rotate this at 90 degree, it is not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 90 degree. It is symmetrical to the second one. The rotational symmetry of an rectangle is 2 and the rotation angle seams is 180 and 360 degree. Now, next example of scale and triangle. Scale and triangle means which have all sides different in length. It also have two triangle. We have to move it by 120 degree. When we move it at 120 degree, it is not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 120 degree. It is also not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 120 degree. Now it's symmetrical to the second one. The rotational symmetry is 1 and the angle of rotation is 360 degree. Now we have third example of sphere. When we rotate this at 90 degree, it is symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 90 degree. Now it also have two triangle. We have to move it by 120 degree. When we move it at 120 degree, it is not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 120 degree. It is also not symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 120 degree. Now it's symmetrical to the second one. The rotational symmetry is 1 and the angle of rotation is 360 degree. Now we have third example of sphere. When we rotate this at 90 degree, it is symmetrical to the second one. Now we again rotate this at 90 degree. It also overlaps each other. Now we again rotate this at 90 degree. It is symmetrical to the second one. Now again we rotate this. It is symmetrical to the second one. The rotational symmetry is 4 and the angle of rotation is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Hope I have cleared the topic. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. So we have made a model which will help you to learn the formulas of certain geometrical figures a way quicker than earlier. Made a connection with battery as shown. So let's try it it works.
So here we have written the areas of certain geometrical figures and their formulas. So let's try for the area of triangle. So put the first compass needle on the pin attached to the cardboard as shown, and put the second needle on each of the respective pins, and which will glow the light will be the correct answer. So as you can see, the light doesn't glow on the first one, neither on the second one, nor on the third one, but the fourth one the light glows, which means so the area of triangle is half into base into height.
For the area of rhombus, the light glows on the first one. So the area of rhombus is half into product of segments.
Very good morning, respected teachers. I am Midha from Standard 7 Jasmine. Today I am going to represent my working model of types of angle. So here I begin. The first one is an acute angle, which measures between 0 degree to 90 degree, such as an angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is known as an acute angle. The second one is a right angle, which measures exactly 90 degree as shown in the adjacent figure. The third one is an obtuse angle, which measures between 90 degree to 180 degree is known as an obtuse angle. The fourth one is a straight angle, which measures exactly 180 degree as shown in the adjacent figure. The fifth one is a reflex angle, which measures between 180 degree and 360 degree is known as an reflex angle. The sixth one is a complete angle, which measures exactly 360 degree as shown in the adjacent figure.
I, Ashika of class 7B, is going to represent a maths model on the topic rotational symmetry. So, rotational symmetry stands for when an object is rotated about its own axis, the number of times it looks exactly same is known as rotational symmetry. So, when we rotate a figure to the complete turn of 360 degree, the number of times it looks exactly the same is called the order of rotational symmetry. So I have prepared some examples on the rotational symmetry. So first, when we rotate the rectangle to the 180 degree angle, it looks exactly the same. And when we rotate it to the 360 degree angle, it also looks exactly the same. The order of rotational symmetry of rectangle is 2. When we rotate the square to 90 degree angle, it looks exactly the same, and similarly happens when we rotate it to 180 degree angle, to 70 degree angle and 360 degree angle. So the order of rotational symmetry of square is 4. So when we rotate the equilateral triangle to the 120 degree angle, it looks exactly the same. So similarly happens when we rotate it to 240 degree angle and 360 degree angle. So the order of rotational symmetry is 3. So when we rotate the circle to the any angle, it looks exactly the same. So the order of rotational symmetry of circle is infinite. So when we rotate the rhombus to the 180 degree angle, it looks exactly the same. Similarly happens when we rotate it to 360 degree angle. So the order of rotational symmetry of rhombus is 2. So when we rotate a scalar triangle to any angle, it doesn't look the same in any angle, but it happens only in 360 degree angle. So the rotational symmetry of scalar triangle is 0, but the order is 1. So when we rotate the semicircle, it does not look the same in any angle, but it looks the same only in 360 degree angle. So the rotational symmetry is 0 and the order is 1. So when we rotate the hexagon to 60 degree angle, it looks exactly the same. Similarly happens when we rotate it to 120 degree angle and 180 degree angle and 240 degree angle, 300 degree angle and 360 degree angle. So the order of rotational symmetry of hexagon is,
And 2. A cone has 2 faces. Now H. 1. A cone has 1 H. Vertex. 1. A cone has 1 vertex. Thank you. Morning ma'am. Today we have learned about solid shapes. Solid shapes are not in flat. For example, cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. These are solid shapes. जैसे ये मेरे खिलौने हैं, इनमें एक खास बात है कि ये फ्लैट नहीं है, फूले हुए हैं. ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, तो ऐसी shapes होती हैं solid shapes. All solid shapes have face, edge and vertex. Now we can explain these shapes. Let us see what are face, edge and vertex of these shapes. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे face. Outer surface is known as face. Can you see? This is face. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cube has 6 face. Edge. Where two faces meet is known as edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube has 12 edges. Vertex. Where two edges meet is known as vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 vertex. Now cuboid. Face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cuboid has 6 faces. Edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 vertex. Now sphere. A sphere has 1 face and no edge and no vertex. Means 0 edge and 0 vertex. Cylinder. A cylinder face 1, 2, 3. A cylinder has 3 faces. Edge. 1, 2. A cylinder has 2 edge. Vertex. A cylinder has no vertex. Means 0 vertex.
Good evening, respected teachers. My name is Fridhi. My school name is Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka. I am studying 3rd degree. Today, I am explaining about shapes. This is a square. This is triangle. This one is a semicircle. This is a cube. This is a cone. This is a parallelogram. This is a rectangle. This is a cuboid. This is a hexagon. This is a diamond. This is a circle. Circle has no vertex. It has a closed loop. It can be traced 1 rupee coin, etc. Rectangle has 4 sides. The all opposite sides are equal. It has 4 vertices. Semicircle like a soup bowl, like an umbrella, and also like a watermelon. 2 semicircles make a full circle. It is a 180 degree. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and also 3 corners. Square has 4 sides. All the sides are equal. It has 4 vertices. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aishvi, the student of class 3rd. Today I am going to present an activity on topic shapes. In this we will discuss about plane shapes or flat shapes. Plane shapes are those shapes that can be drawn on paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. For example, square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Firstly, we will discuss about square. Square has two measurements, length and breadth. It has four sides. It has four vertices. All sides are equal. This biscuit is an example of square. Second one is rectangle. Rectangle has four vertices. It has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. This diary, this biscuit, this matchbox is the example of rectangle. Triangle. Triangle has three sides. It has three vertices. This mad angle is a example of triangle. Last one is circle. Circle has no sides. It has no vertices. It is a closed loop. It is traced with the 1 rupee coin or a carom coin. This chocolate is an example of circle. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good evening everyone. Myself Ashima from 4th Rose. Today I am going to share a maths activity that's about time. Here I have a clock to tell the time. It has 3 hands. First one is the hour hand, that is the smallest one. Second one is the minute hand. Third one is the second hand, that is the longest one. Now we will learn that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now we can see in this clock that the second hand needle completes 1 round in 1 minute. Each number in the clock shows 5 minutes. Now we will follow the table of 5 to count the numbers of minutes. 5 ones are 5, 5 minutes. 5 twos are 10, 10 minutes. 5 threes are 15, 15 minutes. 5 fours are 20, 20 minutes. 5 fives are 25, 25 minutes. 5 sixes are 30, 30 minutes. 5 sevens are 35, 35 minutes. 5 eights are 40, 40 minutes. 5 nines are 45, 45 minutes. 5 tens are 50, 50 minutes. 5 elevens are 55, 55 minutes. 5 twelves are 60, 60 minutes. One thing more, when the minute hand completes 15 minutes, it means quarter past. And when the minute hand completes 30 minutes, it means half past. I hope you all will get it. Thank you.
To all of you. My name is Sirat. I am of class 4th late. Today's my topic is on types of shape. First one is oval, which do not have sides. For example, egg. Next one is circle, which do not have sides. For example, bangle. Next one is octagon, which has 8 sides. For example, open umbrella. Next one is a triangle, which has 3 sides. For example, sandwich. Next one is square, which has 4 sides. So sides are equal. For example, carom board. Next one is rectangle, which has 4 sides. So opposite sides are equal. For example, whiteboard. Next one is pentagon, who has 5 sides. For example, cupcake.
everyone, I am Angel, student of class 3rd C Jasmine. Today I am going to represent the topic geometrical shapes. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. This is square. In square, all sides are equal. This is rectangle. In rectangle, opposites equal. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. In cube, all sides are equal. And cuboid, there is length, breadth, height. Sphere. It has no edges, no vertices. This is a cylinder. It has two flat face and 2 edges and 0 vertices. This is cone. It has 1 flat face, 1 vertices, 1 edge. This is prism. It has 5 faces. 6 vertices and 9 edges. So this all about geometrical shapes. Thank you and have a nice day to all.
Myself Ruhani, I am from class 2nd Jasmine. My today activity is patterns. Patterns are repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors and so on. It is repeated sequence based on a rule. Here patterns are triangle shape. Here squares are in pattern. First 1 color, then 2 color, then 3 color, again 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. Here is a chessboard. Here brown and white squares are in pattern. Here red and pink flowers are in pattern. This is a cloth. We will see some beautiful patterns. Now patterns in objects. Now we will complete this pattern. 1 pink glass, 1 steel glass, 1 pink glass, 1 steel glass, 1 pink glass, 1 steel glass. Now what will be the next? Steel glass or pink glass? Pink glass. I have some blocks, green, pink, blue, green, pink, blue. I have completed this. This is a beautiful pattern. Now patterns in shapes. 1 circle, 1 triangle, 1 star, again 1 circle, 1 triangle, 1 star and so on. These are some shapes. We will complete this pattern. 1 cuboid, 1 cube, 1 cylinder, again 1 cuboid, 1 cube, 1 cylinder. Now what will be the next? 1 cuboid. Now patterns in numbers. This is a repeated pattern of 0 and 1. This is a number pattern of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here the difference is of 10.
Now we will complete this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a counting. Now this is a table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. This is a color pattern: pink, yellow, red, and so on. Thank you.
Hi everyone! It's Asa from class 2nd Jasmine. Today I will explain you what is division. Division is the method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Its symbol is this. Let me explain you practically. Now I divide 12 by 6. I take 12 beads. And put in 6 cups. Each cup has 2 balls. Now answer is 2. Hope you understand it. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. I am Mannat Gupta from class 2nd D. Today I am going to participate in math activity and my topic is time. There are 2 types of clock. This one is digital clock and this is an analog clock. Both tell us the time. In this clock, time is denoted by numbers like 11 o'clock, like 1:10. But in this clock, there are 2 hands, big hand and a small hand. Big hand shows us the minutes and the small hand shows us the hours. If the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 12, then the time is 4 o'clock. If the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12, then the time is 10 o'clock. If the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 3, then the time is 10:15. If the hour hand has passed 10 and the minute hand is at 6, then the time is 10:30. If the hour hand has moving towards 11 and the minute hand is at 9, then the time is 11:45. That's all about clock. Thank you. Respected sister, teacher and all my dear friends. Today I am going to do an activity on time. Do you know what is time? A clock or a watch tells us time. There are 12 numbers on the face of clock and each number has equal distance of 5 minutes. A clock has 2 hands. One is short hand and another one is long hand. Short hand tells us hours and long hand tells us minute. A 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. There are 24 hours in a day. During morning we use AM. During evening we use PM. Let's learn some more. When an hour past 15 minutes, we call it as quarter past. When 15 minutes are left to complete an hour, we call it as quarter to.
and for 30 minutes we use half fast. This is all about time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Asmi from 2nd Lily. Today I am here to discuss about time measurement. In older days, time was measured by water clocks, sand clocks and by sundial clocks. But nowadays there is a clock to measure time. It is very easy to read a clock by its hands. There are two main hands in a clock. One is short and other is long hand. Short hand is also called hour hand. It tells us about hours. It moves very slowly. There are total 24 hours in a day. And other is long hand. Long hand is also called minute hand. It tells us about minutes. It moves fast. There are 60 minutes in an hour. It takes 5 minutes to go one digit to other digit. When the long hand take a full round, then the short hand moves to other digit. No doubt nowadays we use digital watches to measure time, but dial clocks are the basic clocks to measure time. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Hello friends, I am Sargun. I read in Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka. Today my topic is shapes. So let's start. This is triangle shape. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 3 corners. This is rectangle shape. It has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is square shape. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. This is square shape. This is circle shape. It has no sides and no corners. Thank you friends.
Hello, my name is Ibadat. My topic is shape. This is square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides are equal. Let us see the thing that's in square shape. Carom board, chessboard, napkin, hanky. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let us see the thing that is rectangle shape. Duster, mobile phone, geometry box, play card. This is triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let us see the thing that's in triangle shape. Pizza slice, hanger. This is circle. It has no sides and no corners. Let us see the thing that is circle shape. Bangle, Oreo, plate, tire. This is oval. It has no sides and no corners. Let us see the thing that's in oval shape. Mat, Kinder Joy, pear soap. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Afia. Today my topic is shapes. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 corners and 3 angles. Now next, this is a square. It has 4 sides, it has 4 corners and 4 rectangles. Now next, this is a circle. It has 0 side, 0 corner and 0 angle. Now next, this is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, it has 4 corner and 4 rectangle known as, this is a oval. It has 0 side, 0 corner and 0 angle known as, this is a cylinder. It has 3 faces and 0 corner known as, this is a cone. It has 2 faces and 1 corner. Thank you. Good evening to all of you. I am Samriddhi of class 3rd Lotus. Today I am going to tell about some of the solid shapes. Some of the solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So the first shape is cube. A cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices and 12 edges. For example, this Rubik's cube, this box. So the next shape is this cuboid. The cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. For example, this box and this eraser. So our next shape is cylinder. Cylinder has 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. For example, this candy box and this container. So our next shape is cone. A cone has 1 curved face, 1 flat face and 1 vertex. For example, this funnel and this cap, birthday cap. So our last shape is sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face, 0 edges and 0 vertices. For example, this ball and this pearls. So these are some of the solid shapes. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning, ma'am. Today my topic on math. So let's see my division model, how it will work. So first I take one problem. 16 divided by 3. 16 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. In dividend column, we have to keep 16 chanas according to numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now our divisor is 3 and we have to keep 3 chanas in each circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much chanas left? 1. Then our reminder is 1. And let's count the filled circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our quotient is 5. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning ma'am. I am Aruhi of class 2nd from Sacred Heart Convent School. My topic is clock and time. This is a clock. A clock tells us the time. A clock has 2 hands, big hand, small hand. Small hand is called hour hand and big hand is called minute hand. Now start example. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 5. Now is time 5 o'clock. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 elevens are 55. 5 twelves are 60. One day has 24 hours. 24 hours. 1 hour on 60 minutes. Now write 60 minutes. Minute? 1 minute is 60 side. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 7. Now it's time 7 o'clock. Minute hand is on 6 and hour hand is on 2. Now it's time 2:30. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 1. Now it's time 1 o'clock. Minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 4. Now it's time 4 o'clock. Thank you.
I am Ani Gupta, studying in 3rd class. Today I am going to describe practical 3D shapes. The shapes are cone, cube, cylinder, sphere, cuboid. Now I explain one by one. A cone has one vertex, two face, one curved face, one flat face, and one edge. A cylinder has 0 vertex, 3 face, 2 flat face, 1 curved face, and 2 edge. A sphere has 0 vertex, 0 edge, and 1 curved face. A cube and cuboid has 8 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you.
My name is Erika. I study in class 3rd row in Sacred Heart Convent School, Fazilka. Today I am going to explain shapes. This topic is also given in our math book in chapter number 6, Geometry. So shapes are of 2 types. These are plane shapes and solid shapes. The plane shapes have 2D surfaces and they do not have sides. Solid shapes had 3D surfaces and they had heights. Now I have a box containing and I will pick up a random shape and place the shape in the correct position. This is cube. This is square. This is cuboid. This is rectangle. This is triangle. This is cone. This is sphere. This is oval. This is circle. This is cylinder. Thanks for watching. I hope you will learn something from this.
Good morning to all. I Aradhya from First Jasmine. Today I am going to tell you about different shapes. Let's start. The first shape is circle. Circle has no corners, no sides. Examples are pizza and burger. Yummy, yummy. The next shape is triangle. Triangle has 3 corners, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. 3 corners, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. A triangle has 3 corners, 3 sides. Examples are pizza slice and sandwich. The next shape is square. Square has 4 corners, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. All sides are equal. Examples are clock and dice. The next shape is rectangle. Rectangle has 4 corners, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 corners, 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. Examples are table and bed. Hope you will like my video. Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fazilka. I am studying in class first Jasmine. Today I am going to present two things of different shapes which we use in our daily life. The first shape is square. It has 4 sides. Wait a minute. Hello? Okay, hold on. So this shape is rectangle. It has 4 sides. Oh, my Christmas cap? This is triangle in shape. It has 3 sides. Do you know what is this moving shape? Yes, you're right. This is circle in shape. It has 0 sides. So our next shape is octagon. It has 8 sides. Yummy. What is this shape? Yes, this is oval in shape. It has 0 sides. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning to all. My name is Brinda from class 1st. Today I will tell you about shape. First one is sphere. Sphere has 4 sides, 4 corners, but all the sides are equal. rectangle. Rectangle has also four sides. Four corners with opposite sides are equal. Third one is triangle. Triangle has three sides, three corners. Sides may be equal or not. Fourth one is circle. Circle has zero sides, zero corners. Fifth one is oval. Oval has zero sides, zero corners. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jan from First Daisy. My topic is shapes. This is a blue circle. This is a red triangle. This is a yellow square. This is a blue oval. This is a green rectangle. Circle has no size, no corners. The triangle has three sides, three corners. Square has four sides, four corners. Oval has zero sides, zero corners. Rectangle has four sides, four corners. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Hi everyone, it's Akshara from class 8 Lily. Today I will explain you the angle sum property of the triangle.
The angle sum property of a triangle is applicable on acute, right as well as obtuse angle triangles.
The angle sum property of a triangle states that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180. Let me explain you practically. Like, I have a triangle whose angles are 27 degrees, 123 degrees and 30. If I take these angles here, and this angle here, we can observe that these three angles lie in a straight line, and we all know that the angle in a straight line is always 180 degrees, like 27 degree plus 123 degree plus 30 degree is also 180 degree. Hence, it's proved that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Hope you got familiar to the property. Thank you.
Hello everyone! Welcome to all. It is always fun to learn math through interactive activities. Today, we are going to learn a very important concept of math, laws of exponents, through this working model. For this, I have used several colorful thick sheets, a colorful pen, a black marker pen, a ruler, a compass, a protector, and nut and bolt. The aim of this activity is to understand and make a working model of law of exponent. So, let us understand laws of exponent. Law 1. Multiplying power with same base. Here, in general, a raised to power m into a raised to power n equal to a raised to power m plus n. Law 2. Dividing powers with same base. In general, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Law 3. Taking power of a power. Here, in general, a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. Law 4. Multiplying powers with same base. Here, in general, a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to ab raised to power m. Law 5. Dividing powers with same exponent. Here, in general, a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m is equal to a raised to power a divided by b raised to power m. So, in this manner, we understand laws of exponents in an interesting way. Thanks and have a nice day to all.
Hello everyone, I am Angel from class 9th and today I am here to share an identity with you. You all know the formula that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But do you know where this formula comes from? Let's verify it with the help of an activity. So here I have taken a square of side A that is 10 cm each and we'll find its area. Its area will be a square that is 10 into 10 100 cm square with side B that is 12 cm and we'll find its area. Its area will be b square that is 144 cm square. And here I got a rectangle with length b that is 12 cm and breadth a that is 10 cm. And we'll find its area. Its area will be b into a, ba that is 120 cm square. And there is another rectangle with length a 10 cm and breadth b 12 cm. And its area will be ab that is 120 cm square. Now we have got the areas of all these figures, but what will be the total area? We'll find it by adding all these areas. So here you can see I have added all these areas, that is a square plus b square plus ab plus ba. So on adding this we'll get the answer 484. Now I have joined all these figures together and we get a square shape with each side that is 10 plus 12, 22 cm each. And we'll find its area. Its area will be a plus b into a plus b. And on putting the value of a and b, that is 10 and 12, we'll get the answer 484, which is equal to the answer we get earlier. So hence we have verified the identity, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And by this way, we can also prove the identity, that is a minus b whole square. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear teachers, principal and students. Today, I, Alice, from class 6C, is going to present my maths technique on topic sum of interior angles of a polygon. So let's start. Students usually confuse between triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and many more. So today, we will take some examples and make it easy for the students. So let's start with the triangle. The triangle CBE have three sides. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now I'll make a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral B, C, D and E have four sides. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Now I will make a pentagon. A pentagon B, C, D, E and F have 5 sides. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. Now I will make a hexagon. A hexagon A, B, C, D, E and F have 6 sides. So sum of interior angles of a hexagon is equal to 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. So let us revise all the sum of interior angles and make it easy. So sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Next I have a pentagon. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. And the last, hexagon. The sum of interior angles of a hexagon is equal to 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. So by using these examples, we can make it easy for the students to learn. Thank you and have a
Hello everyone, myself Rishi. I am a student of class 6 Jasmine. My activity is about the exterior angles of a triangle and their properties. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. It has 3 vertices like triangle ABC has vertices A, B and C. It has 3 sides
sides like triangle ABC has sides AB, BC and CA. It has 3 angles like triangle ABC has angles ACB, CBA and BAC. These are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. If we will extend the line AB to a point B, we will get an angle here. This is the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Do you know that the exterior angle of a triangle and the two opposite interior angles share a very interesting relationship? I will tell you about that relationship. That is, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Means this angle will be equal to the sum of these two interior angles. Do you know why is this so? This is because if we will take these two angles to that exterior angle, they will cover the path of that exterior angle. Let me show you. See. See, these two angles have covered the path of that exterior angle. That is why an exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Thanks.
Wow, it was spectacular. The efforts of all the participants really showed, and each one of them deserves noteworthy praise.
We would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude towards everyone who worked hard to make this event a big success. Our management, without whose support this event would not have been possible.
Our lovely teachers who guided and mentored each one of us and helped us make such great models.
And all the brilliant participants who put such effort and time to give their innovative ideas a beautiful shape.
And a big thank you to every one of you for joining us today through this voyage through the seas of creative